Hi guys, I'm Sonika. In today's video, let's see how close we can get with the Nikon Coolpix B500. Say hi, say hi, say hi.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you.
The world looks beautiful through the lens of my Nikon Coolpix B500. It works like a telescope, literally. Its 40x optical zoom can reach a maximum focal length of 160 mm. Now let us see how close we can go. So guys, I hope you found this video to be useful. If you did, give me a huge thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you love the B500 just like me. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I'm on YouTube. Here is my previous video. Please go check it out guys. And here is a playlist that plays all my content related to this camera. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos. Bye.